why your goods are not selling. Welcome along to this week's video. I'm Tony from timpanis.com. Do click here to find out all about us. We resell luxury designer goods. Follow us on Instagram. We're at Timpanis. You can just buy straight through there or through our online store, whichever you prefer. Today I am bringing you a video about why your goods are not selling. So not selling with us, but as in like on eBay, Depop, or wherever you're selling them. Why are they not selling? And I've got my 5 top reasons why. And my first reason is because you're selling them in the wrong place. Are you selling them where people are appreciating what they are? For example, are you selling really high-end stuff on Depop and eBay where there's so many fakes that people are really wary about what they're buying? Or are you trying to sell beautiful art in a fashion store? Like, where are you selling your items and are they being appreciated? If you are selling fashion pieces, which you probably are if you're following me, then you need to go where the fashion lovers are to really get the maximum value for your items and also give them the best chance of selling. My second reason is, and it's one of the most common, I'm not gonna lie, it's price. We all value our stuff so much more than others do, and we have so much more emotional attachment. You've got to take the emotion out of it and really price it at what it's worth. And you probably have overpriced your items by about 10 to 20%, sometimes even more. If it's not moving, reduce the price and give it another go. I would also caution against putting an item in at a high price and then slowly reducing it, because what you want is that someone sees the item, they love it, they go for it straight away. What you don't want is actually they see an item at this price and they see it doesn't sell, so it goes to that price and then that price and then that price. To be honest, those items don't generally sell. You almost have you have a small window to get those buyers. So don't be silly with going in at too high a price. It doesn't generally work. Number 3, the age. Now, this can either play into kind of vintage, or there's kind of this awkward level of age in the middle where no one really wants it, and then you've got kind of more current stuff. So there's that current stuff that people want, the vintage stuff that people want, and then that bracket in the middle that very rarely people want. And you need to work out, is your stuff in that bracket? If so, as much as I'm sure you absolutely love it, it could be that there's just not that much of a desire for it. And yeah, there's not much more I can say on that. The fourth thing is, how have you photographed your products? How have you described them? Have you taken care and attention over them? Perhaps if you step away from everything on the laptop and go and you look on like ASOS, or you go and look at the places that you love to shop online and you look at how they're presenting things, and then you go back to your own product photography and descriptions and you look really critically at how you've presented your items. Is there any room for improvement? Can you do a better job? Is it very clear, the size of the item, any sort of damage, anything like that? That is a really crucial one. And also to be really attentive with any questions and things like that all give the onward buyer big confidence. The fifth and final reason your items might not be selling is that you might be actually selling the right item but at the wrong time. So realistically, I always tell my customers that bring to sell with me, you need to be selling the stuff you want to keep. So anything in your wardrobe that you're like, oh, I might wear that this season, or I just hold on to it, that's the stuff to sell, because actually chances are you're not going to wear it, and if it's still something you might like to wear, the chances are someone else will definitely definitely want to wear it. So they're the pieces you need to get rid of. Don't hold on to it until there's absolutely no desire left, because then there's no desire in the market either. So guys, there's my whistle stop tour down the 5 major reasons why your items aren't selling. If you are interested in selling with us, I promise we're a lot softer than this video might make me seem. We're very gentle with our sellers, and we know that it is an emotional experience selling your items, and we would be delighted to help you out. So I'll drop my email down below and you guys can hit up, and you guys can give us a little contact if it's something that we can help you with. We do offer complimentary collections all over London and Berkshire, as well as nationally via courier as well. So wishing you guys a wonderful and safe week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.